This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, high-intensity headlights, a voice-activated entertainment system, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.